Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today video title is guys notification setting in our Vivo phone. In this video guys, we will talk about guys how to off apps notification in our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to off guys your app notification like guys Instagram, Google, Chrome, Gmail, WhatsApp like that guys. You want to off this apps notification in your Vivo phone. So guys, you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off app notification in our Vivo phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to off your app notification. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to off app notification. Then guys scroll. Guys click on your notification setting. App setting guys tap here and guys click on guys tap here and guys click on all app list. So I will click on this all apps guys. You can see guys A to Z all apps. So which app notification guys you want to off guys, you can off from here guys. You will have to click on guys this blue icon. Then guys you can off your app notification in your Vivo phone guys. So guys you cannot see guys this app notification. Which app guys, like Facebook, like that guys, Gmail notification, Google Play Store notification guys, Instagram notification. So you can off from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to off app notification in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye friends. Before going guys, please go and like my video.